What's going on, folks? I'm gonna show you how you'll be changing out your back brake lights on the Nissan Sentra. It's pretty much the same for multiple different years of the Nissan Sentra vehicles, but the first thing you want to do when you come into your trunk, what you'll see is like a little thing right here. All you want to do is basically take a flathead screwdriver pretty much and pop it up underneath there and pop this out. And then when you do that, you can pull this out like that. It'll be like this. You'll see. Hold on, let me show you. Show you real quick so you can see it better. You'll see this piece right here. Take your screwdriver and kind of just pop it up like that. When you do that, this will pull out like that. So once you do that, put that aside. Then you'll be able to come over here and kind of pull back on this panel piece right here. Kind of bend it back and let it stay back like that. And once you do that, you want to use like I have a size 10, basically like little wrench. And you'll see if you come around here, you'll have two screws right here with some bolts on it. You'll have a wire on it. You just kind of wiggle that wire off like that. And then you want to take your size 10 and just basically just pull that off and then take off your bolts. You'll basically have two bolts like that to take off. And when you get those off, what you'll have now is this right here. And now what you're going to want to do is kind of come around to the side like this. You want to come around here to the side on the vehicle, and you kind of want to pull back like this on the headlight assembly like that. Kind of take your hand up here and kind of pull back like that. And once you've done that, you'll have your back brake light assembly off. And of course, now to get to all your bulbs and everything is right here. You just basically want to spin it like that and pull your bulbs out. And then you can change out your bulbs. Like I said, you want to wear gloves when you're doing this because you want to make sure you don't get grease and stuff like that on the bulbs itself. That can make the life of it last a lot less. So pretty much you will get to all your bulbs inside of here like this. And once you're done with that, pretty much all you got to do now is just, I'm going to show you how to pull it out. If you come right here, you'll see this like piece right here. This little opening slides right behind there. And then if you look right here, you'll see this little piece right here basically goes inside of this hole right here. And of course, these two screws, you come right here, these two screws go inside of these two holes right there. So what you want to do is now, basically once you got your lights and everything back in, and of course if you want to change out this whole assembly, then you just take out all these bulbs and you should be able to disconnect this whole thing. And you should be able to disconnect this whole thing pretty much and put a whole new assembly just in case for some reason this one got broke. And once you did that, you just slide it back on like that. You want to put your screws back in and pretty much you'll be done. All right, folks, once again, this is how you would change out your back brake lights as well as your back brake light assembly on a Nissan Sentra. This happens to be a 2018, but it's probably the same for multiple different years. All right, folks, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.